In this video, we will view OpenKM through its mobile interface. First, we log in. Then, we can navigate through the folders, select a document, preview it, and view its properties and metadata. From here, we can edit, add, or delete metadata. Additionally, we can add documents, records, and folders. We can switch contexts, for example, to Home, My Documents, and others. Now, we will return to Taxonomy, where we can filter by name. From the menu, we can perform a search. We can search for a document by name, content, or additional parameters such as MIME type. In this case, we specify that it should filter a PDF document, making the search even more precise. From here, we can also access the dashboard to see, for example, the most recently modified documents. For more information or any questions, feel free to contact us through our website form or via our social media.